Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Facebook photos all at once. To download all your Facebook photos at once, you can follow these steps. As first, you need to launch your Facebook app in your mobile device. After that, on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Select that. Over here, what you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and select settings and privacy. And under there, select settings. And scroll a bit down until you find the your information option, and over here what you have to do is tap on the download information and tap on the continue. Over here select the account, and after that what you have to do is simply tap on the download or transfer information and tap on the available information which contains files. And after, select the download to device and tap on the next option. After that, tap on the create files option, and this is it. This is how you can download your Facebook photos all at once. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.